First day of that trial. After leyo trial iqeda ukuphela kujinwa. Platinum Stars angithi institute, so there's a pool and everything. Angithi niyadlala ngithi. After amajita asiqeda ukujima, aqeda ukudla ahamba. Ngisele ngiyi-1 kuleya institute. Akunandawo yokulala, akunandawo ihotela. There's no other place where you can sleep.
Yokidlava.
Wazi ukuthi ngisayohlanganisa indaba issue ye-accommodation ukuthi for ezongi-accommodator for leyo period. Ngiyasuka, yabona uNkulunkulu khona, ngiyasuka ngidama ngiyazini, ithi ngingene ejimini just ngikhiphe stress, yabona. That's how I took a lot of stress for me. That's why ngithanda ukujima kakhulu. So ngithatha ngikhiphe stress. Mangisejimini kuza manager yasejimi ithi mfethu ufunani la, ngithi ngijima la ngize for ngitrala ku Platinum Stars. Athi no, imanager iboss yami yangibuza ukuthi ufunani la, so let me check on him. So makaya le inhliziyo ithi kiyo mutho lo fanga blackout fula. Makabuya athi okay, but you are not allowed to train usawera kit, yabona.